Oh, hi everybody.
Our Father.
So recently I've been spending my time studying every day. Going to the library every single day and studying because, okay, I'm like a straight A student. I have a C in biology. I have a C, and I'm really bad at science. I'm looking for a biology tutor, so if you're out there and you really love biology and you're really good at it and you would love to tutor me so I can get an A because mid-quarter and I have a C, that would be amazing. I've been doing lots of drawings, like, all the time. I think that has something to do with my grades too, because in math class I doodle. I don't doodle in psychology. Biology I don't doodle either, but I'm thinking about doodling. And so then when I, am trying to take notes, I actually doodle. Most recently I doodled this and I made it so my grades were BAD. I don't know if you can see it very well. I got a new marker, pen, sensor, and that says, what do your grades say about you? And it's someone at the computer like, oh fudge, oh shit, my grades are bad. Because in a couple weeks I'm gonna try, me and AJ and 2 other bands are gonna try and do a show at Intermission, and I'm very nervous because I've never really played in front of a crowd before. I decided to go by Stacy would be kind of boring, so I'm kind of obsessed with the song Blue Jeans right now by Lana Del Rey, and it's just so pretty and so emotional that I named myself Blue Jeans. I'm not emotional or that pretty as that song, but I'm kind of excited. On the topic of music, I did get a new guitar. I walked into a pawn shop in town because I was looking for a cell phone because I washed mine in the washer. I'm like, oh my god, I can't find my cell phone, it might be in the washer. Oh my gosh, it looks like this. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty and it plays so well, and I haven't named it, but I really love it. This webcam doesn't do it justice. It is like the prettiest guitar I've ever had. It is the prettiest guitar I've ever had. And I love it so much. I'm gonna marry my guitar. No, I won't. That's weird. That's like the old Captain Crunch commercials. Arnold is amazing, and Dougie's amazing, and Clarissa's thing explains it all is amazing, and I missed all those shows. Okay, so since I am playing a show soon, I've been trying to write new music, but it kind of sounds weird, and I don't know how I feel about it, and I don't have enough, I guess, traumatic life experiences or whatever, or good life experiences to write a powerful song. So I've just been kind of picking. I'll show you guys. I think it kind of sounds cool, but I don't know how, I don't know how, to incorporate it into anything. What else can I tell you about? I haven't cleaned my room in a long time. I think that's enough information. I've been talking about myself for a long time. It feels weird to talk about myself. Woo! Oh! And my birthday's in a month and I'm gonna be 20 and I feel really weird because I still feel like I'm 12. Okay, bye, see you later.